Let's go. We're about to start.
Our food Rambo over here.
Yeah, let me see. What is? Oh, what gets you cute?
Nothing.
Yeah.
I know that camera's out. Not in, bar. No, I love schnitzel.
I love snipes. It's cool.
I love schnitzel.
We're about 100 k's in. How you boys feeling?
Bro, we're fresh.
We're always waiting for Vinny, eh?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Vinny waits.
Come on, bro. Vinny's walk. Let's go.
Oh, I thought that was a snake, eh? Wow.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that's crazy. Wow, that'd be a mad beach to camp on, bro.
That's how it's done, eh? Nothing camping down there. That's actually true, eh?
Oh, bro, that's so secluded. Oh, I want to go near the edge. Oh! Wow. Oh, does it feel like we're in Bali?
You can spear there, eh?
You know that Bali lookout?
Feels like we're in Bali, eh?
Nusa Penida.
Bro. Let's go get some killers.
We're not far, boys. Alright, we've arrived at the first beach. We've touched the toes in sand. Oh yeah. It's getting real hot. The bags are heavy, but the spirits are high. Look at the view, bro. We got a bit of incline happening, boys. Woo. Yeah. He's always doing too much, this bloke. It's fucking hot, boys. Feeling good, but we're almost at camp, eh? We're in the midst of it now. Woo! Legs are burning. The heat is up. I feel good, but look at the view. Wow. We're around the corner, brothers.
While you're in there scrolling, we're out here patrolling, bitch.
You ain't built for this.
Bro, where are you getting this stuff from? You got a dictionary about that shit?
Man, I got the black book in now.
No.
A few moments later.
Hey! Go to Marcus! Go to Marcus! Go! That is a jumpy ass!
Oh shit!
So this is the stuff we're talking about. We've got to end racism, boys. We just arrived on the sand, eh?
Another beach, another day. We made it, baby.
Wow. Yeah, I think the grass up there. I think this is home here, brother. We're setting up camp tonight. Should be good. Keen to get in the water, but it's fucking hot. Just put our bags down. There we go. Well deserved. It's a bit rough now, but keen to get in the water. Ready for this. Woo. Woo. Oh wow! Who's this guy? Oh bro, wow. Yo, that for a second caught out or dive?
Can you go under the water?
Yeah, you can go under.
You want to go under with you?
Yeah, let's go, man. Woo! Yep.
So we went.
It's another fiery afternoon, so hot, so hotter than the month of June. So we should go beach now.
Cooper did that at the wave pool in Aussie, go for it.
No way. Fuck it, no.
How good's that feel?
We made it to the fucking camping grounds, baby.
Oh, look at him! Tye and Vinny!
Look at this fucking aqua man coming in the water.
Oh, is that the rock? Doesn't matter, dude.
What was that, Aquaman? What was that? That was another one of your... That was another one of your dives, eh? Your belly flops?
Oh, fuck up, man.
Yeah.
Oh my god. How did your legs feel?
You fucking
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, that.
Fuck yeah, this is nice. What a feeling, man. That's fun as.
How long are you boys in Australia? How long?
There you go.
We got the Jake Paul and Anthony Joshua fight. Got the boys in the pub. It's a local.
Where'd it go?
Be careful, Cooper.
Yeah, watch out, bro. It doesn't fucking come up and bite you.
What are we doing, Coop?
We're going for a spear, mate. I don't know, we're gonna battle the fishermen out of the rocks, but
Yeah, we got all them fishermen.
go for fucking spearfish, lads.
The rangers said we couldn't camp, but hey, we're still camping, brother.
We make the rules, yeah.
But we're gonna get a catch and cook tonight to go. Fucking shot this twice, bro. Tried to get away and I chased it. Look at that. 2 shots. Oh, got the rice cooking. Cooper's on the steak. And Vinny's on the fire. The boys are setting up the Wow, look at the fucking view, bro. Tell me, what are you doing on your Saturday night? Tell me.
Well, that's what I said before on my Insta.
Wow.
I was like, if you're not out doing shit like this, then what are you doing?
What are you doing, bro? This is actually living. This is living. Hey, Vinny. How do you feel about this?
Hey, bar.
Mate.
Mama bar.
You know what they say.
We're in the mama bar.
I don't know, what do they say? Cooper's about to get burnt, bro.
He's trying to fucking burn me.
In that Woolies bag right there. Oh, I'm setting up the stove top. Oh! Oh, I'm setting up a hot plate right now. Oh! Fucking hell. I don't know if you can see this, guys. I'm gonna try to set up the GoPro. You like to film that, Matt?
Yeah, sure.
I should have.
What do you want me to do?
Just film this. I want to put this on the fire.
Back for the video. Yeah, show them light on here.
Oh, bro. Sorry. But
Ow!
Oh, I think you put your head on your head before.
it might be a
Are you
bit.
slapping the fish on top?
Yeah, you reckon
Is that the idea? Maybe
Yeah,
a thinner one, bro.
Huh?
A thinner one?
Yeah, I got
Or is that sweet?
What, that?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's good, eh?
Yeah, it should be alright.
Fishy. You're gonna eat the eye again?
Beautiful, mate. Beautiful. I'm keen for this.
Yeah, bro, we got the fish in here.
You know what I like seafood? And I still have it. You don't like it? I fucking hate seafood. Yeah, I still did it, but. Is that water? Yeah, I got all about each.
Yeah. Got the fish in there. I'm gonna slap it on the hot rock there. Fucking oath, that's mad. Yeah, I can't believe I feel so intelligent. What are you doing there, kid?
Making some coffee.
Yeah, you gonna fucking do some New Jersey fucking coffee up in here?
Making some fucking coffee. You want a fucking coffee? Give me one. I'm making some coffee.
I want a fucking coffee. It's not even fucking stupid ass. Oh, we going a full one each here.
I don't know. I don't know how strong it is.
I just put fucking beef juice in here, bro.
I can't even open it.
Yeah, like this, cuz.
Use your teeth.
You mix that one, cuz? Oh! Oh, I fucked it up. Wet it. Oh, wet it.
Oh, there's a fucking little tear strip on it.
Has this got chocolate in it?
No, it's cappuccino.
Yeah, I fucked it up.
It probably doesn't.
Oh, bro, you know what? We got a pair of scissors. All the ladies in the building now. Photo.
Oh, cuz, look at that.
All the ladies in the building. Oh, that actually looks proper.
Yeah, proper A.
Oh, fucking nice cheese. Oh, yeah, 100%. Oh, no, not really. First one's right, second one definitely.
Yeah,
Did you want a coffee, Claude? Oh, did you want a coffee?
I might have a shit, eh?
Yeah, try it, bro. If you want one, there's a full one here.
I might save that for the morning.
I'll make more in the morning, eh?
Oh, yeah? Yeah, but what am I going to use it?
We got my coffee. Honey, what are we doing?
Pouring it on the fish.
Honey? We're doing honey fish, first time.
Favorite, bro.
Don't add it, bro.
Favorite.
Oh, bro. I reckon how it tastes mad, eh? So if you pick the skin off, Cordell, maybe after, eh? I'll just bathe the can, eh?
Yeah, that's alright. You need the aromas, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
The aroma. Yeah, it's so through, you reckon?
Nah, just, yeah, maybe like a bit. Because we've got to peel the skin off anyway. We're at the beach at night. Oh, Kuba. Oh, Maddie. Got the boys. I think it's time for bed, eh? It's getting late. Yeah, I watched a dead bird.
See that, mate? That is stone dead. It's not moving. It's fucking dead, mate. I'm going to cook this up for breakfast. Another one. What is that?
Oh, no way.
Grab there.
Ready, watch this.
So see that? That there is breakfast. Protein. That's full of protein right there.
It's fucking poultry.
You eat that, you're going to be big, full of muscle.
Alright, it's time for bed. I'm fucking done with this cunt shit. The kids are in bed already. Vinny put them to sleep.
Let's go.
Get your ass back to sleep, boy! Nah, but yeah, we'll see you in the morning.
Get in your bed.
See you in the morning, guys.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
It's golden hour, boys. Look at this. Does not get better than this. Watching the sunrise. Nothing better. Right over the horizon.
Fellas, he's getting it. 30. And 2. Get it, bar.
Let me try some of your bacon, boy.
Get your hands out of my bacon.
Oh my gosh, good. Bacon and egg muffin who?
Oh, brother, that's a bush tucker 101 right here.
Bro.
Hectic.
What's on there? Bacon and what? Or just bacon?
Bacon, honey.
Oh, crap.
That's how you feel, bro. Go get your 50 in this. Actually, it fucking looks delicious. Can I have one of those?
Bula, bula! Bula!
Aye, yeah. We got the coffee going. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, bro.
Go on now! Oh, it looks like a fucking...
Content, bro. Let's go.
Oh, Kuba, you would not grab it by the tail.
Nick minute.
Oh!
No way, bro.
Alright, we've just hit Guatemala. It's actually really hot. I don't know, it'd probably be pushing 30s and over. Gonna go for a quick jump, eh?
It's supposed to be 40 degrees today.
Are we gonna see a Manu chords?
Fuck, not off the rock.
People have died jumping here. Surely not.
I just go like there, it's a shortcut. Have this guy get on there.
You're smart, eh? What do you reckon, Tye? Gainer straight off the bat?
Right, fucking hell. You go right here.
Send it, eh?
Oh, go. Cuba, look.
Nah, I get fucked. Oh, I'm scared of heights. Oi, what the fuck's that? What? The wharf?
Oh, that's cracker.
No way.
Okay, jump.
How deep is that?
Dunno.
Where you been jumping, just here? Yeah. Good? It's dipping up. It's deep? Dipping up, yeah. Okay, brother.
Go Tye, gainer.
I'm gonna hold it like this and gainer.
Alright, watch me drop the fucking GoPro. Maybe in the next live. Maybe in the next live.
Hotter than the month of June, so we should go beach now. Cool down where the water's right, yeah. Let's grab our boards and run.
Are you gonna gain a coup? Oh, do a Manu!
Getting hot, this is my desire. That want to hit the spot, yeah. Cool down. The waves is on fire. The day is getting hot. This is my desire. That want to hit the spot, yeah.
Yeah, lad. Oh, the water's fresh.
Hey, should we swim to the fucking water?
Yeah, let's go. Get the practicing. Yeah, that's it. Gotta get the practice, let's go.
When I get to the water, I put my feet like that and you go up.
Oh, did ya?
Yeah.
Well, the one out, please hold on. Slipper boy.
I gotcha!
Oh, yeah, cool.
Alright, Vinny's been talking about how bad he wants to money this trip.
Hey, anything for the hose, baby. Watch out, Tom.
Oh, sorry, lad. That's a fake Samoan. We got 5Ks left. We're actually flying, eh? We haven't stopped since Guatemala. We're in the sand now. Yeah, I know. We're actually flying through now. I think that's the finish line just over there. And then we'll catch the ferry back to Cronulla. That's our destination. Wait. Are you gonna try it?
Yeah.
Is it alright?
Just tastes like water.
Yeah?
It looks pretty clear.
Looks fresh.
It doesn't taste dirty or like salty or anything like that.
Yeah, true.
Just tastes like, yeah.
It does look fresh, but.
Not too bad.
Is that good H2O?
Nothing like Mother Nature.
That... It's alright, I'm gonna be in the water. Hey! Oh. You did it! Yeah. Try again.
Hang on.
We started from here, mate. And we bloody walked all the way here and we slept right here at the end of Gary's Beach.
Yeah.
And then this is where we are now. All the way here. Bro, that was not an easy, what, 15, 16 k's, eh?
Today, I think it was more like 20, bro, today.
We're on 15 at the moment.
Like,
Oh, yeah?
That board's massive, bro.
and that was hard, eh?
Stand next to the board. Comparison, bro.
And that's,
Fuck, that board's
that's
huge,
little
bro.
too, bro.
That was actually a mission, eh?
Bro, we actually did fucking, I thought, it's easy now that it's done, but fuck.
That was good.
I was struggling, bro.
That's fucked.
But look how far we walked, bro.
I can't believe
It's
that.
a long
eh?
way, eh? Especially through the bush, bro. That's crazy.
We did that shit, baby. Another one.
Home stretch.
Hey, oi, oi.
Another one.
What is next?
Yeah, that's it.
Another one.
We're done.
Another one. We're proper bushwalking now. Woo! It's hot. We don't have long left, eh? We've got about half an hour or so. 3 odd k's. We're getting there. Got the tunes going. That's the only thing that's keeping me going right now. It's hot. I need some hydration. My wife is in order. My seat pump. I'm 21 years past the 27 club. It's like to my past and then I sped it up. Robert Johnson, Winehouse and Morrison. Actually struggling now, eh? Running out of water. Need a cold drink. Struggling. So you pick it up.
Yeah.
Ugly fella.
I just grabbed it, bro.
Tame it, bro.
Put that shit away, boy.
You know what I mean?
No, don't.
Hey.
Don't.
African snap fly.
Oh, that's cool, bro.
That's good eating, bro. It's a weird looking chicken.
Walking through the valley of the shadow of death.
I take a look at my life and realise I've nothing left. Oh, shit, eat for me. Yeah, what I fuck up.
Alright, we've just hit proper houses and proper roads.
Tarmac, bro.
How you feeling, Matty?
Fucking beauty.
Oh wow, that's the Royal National Park done. Now we're gonna go catch a ferry into Cronulla and ease off home, eh?
Bloke's got a whole watermelon.
Australia.
We're on the ferry, mate. Wow. How do you feel?
Wow, cuss.
Yeah, let's go. Hike done, brother. Time to go to the pub and get fucked up.
Started at Wollongong. At Cronulla. Wollongong to Cronulla in the bush. A hard 30 k's, bro. My body is fucking done. This bloke's fucking having a shower. I just want to go home. I'm hungry, tired. My body's fucked. Get me home, man.